Alright you guys, welcome back to part 2 of my video for my fox eye tutorial. So this has been going on a lot on Instagram, and I really wanted to do it. I'm used to doing it a little more dramatic. I love the Egyptian. I feel like it's also Egyptian, but anyway, let's just get on with the video. As you guys know, I'll be using the products from Ipsy that I featured in my first video. If you haven't already checked it out, definitely go. The link will be in the description box, and if you haven't already, definitely like and subscribe. Duh. Let's get with the video. Alright you guys, so exactly 5 seconds into my video, I realized that I didn't have any more eyebrow pencil left. So I am being ingenious right now. I'm gonna show you guys how Rachel makes things work when there is no way. So I have a little eyebrow shaver right here, and it has remnants of course, the eyebrow pencil. So I'm going in with a little brush right now and kind of just shaping it up myself. Now, apart from this part, you guys, there will probably not be that much talking on this video. I just want to really get... Alright, so this is not pencil material. I mean, this is not my typical flow, but we gonna make it work. Alright, you guys. It's as good as it's gonna get. Right, so the quickest way for me to achieve this is with tape. Y'all know I love tape. I swear by tape. When you want that cut. Alright, so I have my tape on, and then I am going to work from my outer corners inward. So with this palette right here that I showed you guys in my last video, I am going to just start packing on some color. So I'm going with a brush like this. Alright, so after applying this color right here, I'm basically just going to work my way down, but with a neutral. So I apply this color, I'm going to apply this one next, right? And I'm basically just kind of smoking it out. To me, this fox eye is like so simple. It's so fun, and you look bomb.com after. And you can literally recreate it with one palette. Like, I absolutely hate when you go to beauty gurus and they have like a million palettes. Like, I don't have, well, I do have that, but not everyone has that. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with this little cream color right here. I told y'all not that many colors. All right, so underneath the corner, I'm gonna put this brown. I'm just using the second brown that I had used from earlier. And I'm gonna use the very first brown, so that dark brown. All right, so I'm going for some razzle dazzle for this look. So I'm applying this green eyeliner that I got from the drugstore. And I love it because it's like this teal green. Just gonna apply that underneath my eye. Like so. Now to do the part that I think we've all been waiting for, it's the fox eye. So I'm gonna zoom in a little closer here. All right, so with the fox eye, you want to do in the corner. I like doing in the corner first, so I'm going to do in the corner. So and I suggest doing small light strokes first. And I'm going as close to my waterline as I can, y'all, as close. So I don't want it to be too dramatic, so I'm just doing a thin line. And then I'm gonna move on to the other eye. All right, so I'm gonna leave it because if I touch anything else, I might spoil it. All right, so next thing I'm gonna do is apply some falsies. All right, so after painstakingly hard work, I have my eyelashes on. And I am going in with a wet beauty blender. Surprisingly, I love it. Like I saw this beauty guru doing it and I was like, I don't know what y'all got going on. But when it's wet, it just like sucks in. It doesn't give you that ashy look. For my highlighter, I'm using this Nomad that was also in my Ipsy palette. And I'm gonna go in with Bondi Beach right here. Alright, so with that little lip color that I love, this lip balm. Ooh, look at this, how big this is. This is made for juicy lips, y'all, like mine. Alright guys, so I think this is the final look. Alright, so this is the final look. This was the final look. I wanted to come outside and get some sun while I still have it. It's like being hidden by my tree, but I'm gonna make it work. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look. You know, even if you don't, oh well, I'm sorry. I tried. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you haven't already checked out my Ipsy bag reveal, the link will be in the description box. And yeah, can't wait to show you guys a little bit more looks. I'm thinking about doing a rainbow challenge, so I'm gonna do a video for, of course, the rainbow. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I have some other videos on the way. Yeah, anyway, so before I get any more awkward than I already am, I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye. It's your girl Scarlett Maze. Bye.